So now we will discuss the public solution of positive externality in production. So positive externality is the case when social marginal cost is less than private marginal cost. So for the activity of one firm, that the other firms also get benefited. So in that case, what will happen? We will find that the social marginal cost is the difference between private marginal cost and the benefit that it provides to the other firms. So for example, if one firm starts extracting oil from a particular area and the other firms also get some information from them and they are benefited by that. So here we will start with that case when SMC is less than, social marginal cost is less than the private marginal cost. So if we draw the diagram here, in horizontal axis we are measuring the level of output, in vertical axis we are measuring cost and benefit of production. So there is no externality in consumption, so social marginal benefit equals to private marginal benefit. Now, this is the private marginal cost of production and this is the social marginal cost of production. So we can write here PMC minus MB equals to SMC. So in this case, the socially optimum level of equilibrium point will be ES, in which the social marginal benefit and social marginal cost curves intersect each other. And hence, the socially optimum level of output is OQS. But what about the firm? It will produce at the level at which its private marginal benefit is exactly equal to the private marginal cost. So, EP is the private equilibrium or the equilibrium point of the firm and OQP is the equilibrium level of output by the firm. So what we see that OQP is less than OQS. So this is the socially optimum level of output, this is the level of output produced by the firm. So that's why this is also a suboptimal level of output here. Now, question is, how can the government solve the problem? The answer is very easy. Now, the government will provide subsidy to the firm. And here the subsidy, if we consider S is the subsidy per unit, then S equals to the marginal benefit created by this firm to the other firms. So, what we will see? That new private marginal cost will be given as PMC minus S. That means marginal cost for each unit minus the subsidy provided by the government will be the new private marginal cost by the firm. So, what will be the equilibrium? So, we can find here now SMC and PMC1. That means the private marginal cost after the provision of subsidy will be exactly equal to the social marginal cost. So, the private equilibrium will shift from point EP to ES. So, because now we find that at point ES, PMC1 is exactly equal to PMB. So, the firm will produce now OQS level of output. Hence, we can say here, if the government provides subsidy to the firm having positive externality and the subsidy per unit is exactly equal to the marginal benefit created by firm to the other firms, what we will find? We will find that social marginal cost and private marginal cost will be same and the firm will produce at the socially optimum level of output. So, here by providing subsidy, the government can solve the problem of externality. So here also externality is internalized by providing subsidy to the firm. providing subsidy to the farm which has marginal benefit to the society or additional benefit to the society. So this is how we can solve the problem of positive externality and production in production, and the private enterprise will produce at the socially optimum level of output by government intervention.